Hey guys, Mr. Bevel here. Today we're going to talk about contours and finishing methods. So to jump right in, we have a welding symbol here with a fillet weld symbol on top. Fillet weld is a prime example of when they would use a finishing method. It can be used with other types of welds, but a lot of times it's fillet weld. Now there's three types of contours. We have a flat contour, we have a concave contour, and a convex. Some flat's pretty self-explanatory. When we get finished with a weld, you see we have a fillet weld here on a lap joint, that weld needs to be flat. So, to give you an idea what that would look like, on the bigger screen, I don't know if you guys can see that all the way over there. We got a common T-joint. When we make our weld, it needs to be flat all the way across there. Well, it's almost impossible to actually make a weld flat by just welding. So it's possible that we have a different finishing method on it. So the types of methods we can have, just for example, we can have hammering or machining, which would be a good one to make a flat weld. So that means we welded it, and then now we take it to the machine shop, those guys can machine that weld down. Chipping, there's also several different kinds. So how we can see this, we have a T-joint, flat weld. How we can see this on here is the finishing method would be made like that. We give us a flat symbol on there. Just a straight line showing us this wheel needs to be flat. Alright, so that's the flat. We can also have concave. So the concave contour would look like this. It's where it's sunk in a little bit. A good way to remember this, caves go in. So your weld would be concave. Your weld would stick in a little bit. Same thing, it's possible that we could have done that by just welding, but it's also we might have to have some help. So those finishing methods, how we would label those, is it might say something like just an M for machining, would be on top of a fillet weld symbol. So it gave us a concave contour, so we knew it had to be concave, and we know it's going to have something else done to it. We also have convex. Convex is the opposite of concave, it sticks out. And it's possible we make that weld by just welding it. So we can say that weld kind of sticks out a little bit. So our three methods of contouring, we have flat, concave, and convex. And then we can have different finishing methods. And they can be labeled, we can have an H for hammering, we can have an M for machining, C for chipping. You can have all kinds of different letters up there. Depending on where you work at, they normally have their own lettering system. And that's pretty basic. We can have these on fillet welds. It's possible to have them on different types of groove welds and stuff. Fillet welds, you're going to see these a lot. And that's pretty much it today for the contours and finishing methods.